Please don't say that.
Okay.
I'm not allowed to get out of the car, so I'll
just
lock.
I'll be nice.
What this is? Oh, snapback tattoo. Oh, I like that deal. Oh, I'm about to rip this shit hell down. Let's go, man. I got snapbacks and tattoos. Snapbacks say same thing. Kush smoke, feel the airways. I'm scarred up like Subway. Y'all subpar, by far. To the moon, I'm NASA. Yes, I be that shooting star. That Aston Martin be my car. Y'all.
My eardrums vibrate.
Was it good?
Yeah.
See, it wasn't that bad. It's not loud. It's not loud. About to get in the car wash. Let's put in my code. 79338. We got the green. Figure since I'm in here, why not base in the car wash?
City with a pep nigga. This ain't no illusion. That Marino in your blood. Cause the way she throw it, if she throw it, your nigga might just go broke. I say show me a good time, cause yes, in a rush.
Well, if I didn't know any better, I would have not realized it was in a car wash. Because you can't hear it. But, you know, if you're a basehead like me, you gotta go do it in the car wash. And I got the t-shirt to prove I'm a certified basehead, so figure I have right to. Sorry about everybody outside. I believe these are the Karma series cable from New Concepts. Check them out on newconcepts.com.